garage door. It's often overlooked, but it's a vital part of your home's functionality and security. Just like any other mechanical system, your garage door needs regular maintenance to operate smoothly and last longer. One of the simplest yet most effective maintenance tasks you can perform is lubrication. Lubricating your garage door components can significantly extend its lifespan, saving you money on repairs and replacements. A well-lubricated door operates quietly, eliminating annoying squeaks and grinding noises that can disrupt your home's peace. Proper lubrication ensures your garage door opens and closes smoothly, reducing strain on the opener and preventing unexpected breakdowns. Rust and corrosion are major enemies of garage doors. Lubrication forms a protective barrier, guarding against these damaging elements. A smoothly operating garage door is a safer garage door. Lubrication reduces friction, preventing parts from sticking or binding. You'll need a good quality garage door lubricant, usually a silicone-based or lithium-based spray, and a clean cloth. Start by cleaning the tracks, rollers, and hinges to remove any dirt or debris that could hinder lubrication. Apply the lubricant to the rollers, hinges, and springs. Focus on the moving parts, not the tracks. After applying, open and close the garage door a few times to help distribute the lubricant evenly. Wipe away any excess lubricant with your clean cloth to prevent it from attracting dust and grime. Perform this simple lubrication routine every 3 to 6 months, or more frequently if you live in a harsh climate. A little effort now can save you a lot of trouble and expense later. Keep your garage door in top shape with regular lubrication.